Paano mag-request ng content monetization bit or creator monetization tool kahit hindi ka pa na-invite sa in-stream ads o kahit hindi mo pa na-meet ang criteria for monetization for in-stream ads. Kung paano, sundan mo lang ang video ito.
Copy muna natin ang ating link. Ayan, and then back. And then click natin itong profile. And then dito guys sa creator support, dahil hindi pa tayo na-monetize in stream ads, so creator support ang nakalagay dito. So i-click natin yan. And then click ang monetization. And then dito guys sa program eligibility, click natin yan. And then scroll up. Dito sa in-stream ads, click natin yan. And then dito guys is makikita niyo yan siya ng in this form. Ayan, i-click lang yan. After that guys, ito ang lalabas. Ayan, Facebook Content Monetization Beta Interest Form. So ayan guys, dito sa Facebook account, ito muna yung unahin natin. And then, i-paste natin dito yung ating link ng page natin or profile. And then, next is ang ating email address. And then next guys is other social media account. Ayan, ilagay ko dito yung aking ang aking profile, and then click let's do this. Ayan, and then next is ito na ang lalabas. A form submitted successfully. Thank you for interest. Facebook Content Monetization Beta, and then click OK.
Don't forget to share, follow for more. Thank you and God bless.